What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Folks, I'm very excited because I have officially gotten my tickets because I'm going to be flying into Ohio. We're going to go to the HTMA Ohio Innovation Celebration, which is sponsored by PartsSource, and it's a behind-the-scenes tour of PartsSource, and we'll also get to see the CBET Center of Excellence. Did you guys even know that was a thing? It's going to be there. It's going to be fantastic. My company, BC Group, we are also helping supply the test equipment for the Center of Excellence. It's going to be some good times. Let's go ahead and take a look at the event invite, which I will leave down in the video description down below. And this is what you get in the email. So it's going to be August 7th, 4:30 to 8. And it's going to be at PartsSource, which is in Hudson, Ohio, right here. And it says we're going to be touring. There's going to be live examining the new CBET Training Center of Excellence. I didn't even know this thing was happening. And CBET's expanding like all over the place. They're growing so incredibly fast. And it's actually amazing because why fly all the way to Texas? You want to because the barbecue's awesome. But anyway, why fly all the way to Texas to go and get some training at their brick and mortar over in San Antonio when you can go to a local branch and get the same level of training, which is awesome. So anyway, they're going to have an educational panel. We're going to be doing some announcements, some networking, and dinner and bar service is going to be included. And we're going to be touring the PartsSource headquarters. This is an extremely rare opportunity, folks. So coming up in 2 weeks, week and a half, something like that, August 7th, we're going to be touring PartsSource, and it's going to be the HTMA Ohio Innovation Celebration. It's going to be so good, guys. I hope to see you there. Please register at the link down below. Let's see how many people we can get there. I know right now that there's going to be like 50 to 60 people. So we're going to try and get it to 80 to 100 people. All right. So let's do it. Ohio, you guys always show up in force anyway. It's going to be an excellent event. And what a rare opportunity to go behind the scenes of one of the largest companies in the industry, PartsSource. Let's do it. Hope to see you there.